Welcome to my Automoto Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. I invite you to subscribe and share videos. In this episode, we'll talk about the Chrysler 5.7 V8 Hemi engine. Chrysler 5.7 V8 16 valves Hemi engine. 8 cylinders and 16 valves. Injection type, multi-point. Timing chain. Engine oil capacity, 7.0 liters. Oil type, Mopar 5W20. Replacement after 13,000 kilometers or 8,000 miles or 6 months. Service inspection every 1 year. Works well with LPG gas installation. Average engine fuel consumption from 10L/100 km to 20L/100 km is about 12 miles per gallon to 23 miles per gallon. Advantages: durable design, low failure rate, high work culture, very good dynamics, good cooperation with LPG gas installation. Disadvantages: timing chain cracks, carbon deposits, high service and parts costs, high fuel consumption. The Chrysler 5.7 V8 16V Hemi engine is a unit whose production dates back to the 1950s. For over 20 years, the concern modified it using various solutions until the early 1970s. The next version was introduced in 2003 and was widely used in Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep cars. V-shaped design, 16 valves, made of cast iron, block, and aluminum, head, powered by multi-point injection with chain-based timing. It is necessary to distinguish two versions, the first from 2003 to 2006 and the newer ones, especially those after 2009. It was in the versions from the first years of production that the timing system was problematic, in which the chain often broke, which often resulted in piston damage and sometimes a cracked block. In versions after 2006, this factory defect was corrected. Users and service technicians also report a problem with carbon deposits accumulating in the combustion chambers. In 2009, the engine underwent a number of modifications, including the introduction of variable valve timing, VC, electronic throttle control, and the MDS, multi-displacement system. The latter system is responsible for the operation of the cylinders. During light load of the unit, it disconnects 4 of the 8 cylinders. To sum up, the 5.7 V8 Hemi engine is very good for longer trips, less for city driving due to high fuel consumption. Thank you for watching the film podcast, and I invite you to subscribe to the Automoto Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode.